When organizations provide development opportunities for employees, tracking their progress and engagement helps ensure a positive experience. The LXP has several pre-built reports to monitor employee performance and engagement. Administrators and others with reporting permissions can view summary dashboard data and detailed information about users, content, assignments, channels, and groups. For each report, you can adjust dates for your desired time frame. Quickly review what's happening in your LXP using the Overview panel. When expanded, each graph displays a closer look at the month-to-month data. User report data is related to actions taken by each individual, including what they have created, completed, viewed, commented on, or even bookmarked. Data points provide a deeper look into the information. For example, click the number of cards created by a particular user to view a list of those card titles. Use the content report to gain insight on the most popular content, including the count of completions, number of likes, and total number of comments made. The content type filter narrows down your report results. Each card title is a direct link to the affiliated content in the system. Assignment reports provide data about content assigned to users and their most recent status, such as not started, started, or completed. Review results for individual and group-based assignments. Like other reports, select a data point to view the details associated with it. For example, select the data point that identifies who has not started an assignment. Because engagement is critical for the success of your LXP, channel reports help you see the user actions for both channels and the content within them. In the Overview section, data points identify the users associated with actions. For example, select total visits to see who accessed the channel and when. Total visits versus total unique visitors can sometimes be confusing. Total visits is a cumulative number of each visit to the channel, while total unique visitors represents each individual person who has visited the channel, even if they have visited multiple times. Let's look at an example that illustrates this difference. When a user visits a channel 10 times, 10 visits are added to the total visits count. However, that same user is represented only once in the total unique visitor number. The Content Report section breaks down the data for actions related to the content within the channel, providing a quick overview of the user engagement. Here you can see the specific content title that was viewed and who viewed it and when. The group report and the channel report have similar data points, but are very different from each other. While the channel report is about user engagement with content, the group report focuses on how users engage within a group along with its associated content. The summary section highlights information for individual groups, like number of members and active users. The user report section looks at how users interact with content in the group, like who commented on a specific item and when. Because group leaders should be actively involved in the engagement activities within their group, they have access to detailed analytics from their group page. This data can be useful to the leaders when making future decisions. Various dashboards help leaders assess engagement and make decisions on content to drive group activity. The Assignment Performance Report provides progress and completion tracking for assignments associated with the group. In addition to pre-built reports, advanced analytic tools are available as an add-on feature. EdGraph and EdData give you deep-level access to your data, including exports for use with other business intelligence platforms. Use these helpful reporting features to drive employee development and engagement.